Hi there, I'm Mellie Beane, and today we're going to learn how to draw a cookie. So get yourself a piece of paper and a black marker, and we are just going to start drawing a circle, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay if it's a little wobbly because, a lot of cookies they're not perfectly circular, so we'll do that, and then we'll draw a little curve here, like a little swirl at the very top. Then about here, we're going to draw an oval for the eye. And then here, we're going to draw another oval for his other eye. And then we're going to draw another curved line. And then another curved line. And then here, we're going to draw a little curve for his nose. Then under that, a little V shape, and then under that, a bigger V shape. Now we're going to start drawing the chocolate chips in. Just kind of little scribbly looking chocolate chips all over in different spots on the edges. Just kind of in random places. Now here we're going to draw a curved line for an arm and then a circle. Then here we're going to draw another curved line and then another circle. Then we're going to draw the legs, draw 2 lines. Then a little circle on the bottom of each line for the feet. Now we're going to color in our cookie, so I'm going to use a tan marker for this. And I'm just going to fill it in, except I'm not going to be coloring in the chocolate chips. Next, you're going to go ahead and get a dark brown, and now we will be coloring in the chocolate chips. What's your favorite cookie flavor? I think chocolate chip is my favorite. Go ahead and get a red marker, and we're going to draw a little doodad here for the tongue. Now I'm going to get a black marker and fill in this part of the mouth, fill it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a greenish blue color that I have, but you can use whatever color you want. And we're going to color in the eyes a little, and the hands, and the feet. Go ahead and grab a pink marker And I'm going to draw some little rosy cheeks just under the eyes and a little on the nose. If you have a white gel pen, go ahead and grab that. I'm going to put a little white on each of the eyes. A little on the nose and a little on the mouth. Put a little on the hands and the feet. And a little bit on the swirl and on the top part of the cookie. If you want to learn how to draw the friend video to this drawing, go ahead and watch the How to Draw a Milk Carton video, and I'll leave the link on the end of this video. Then you can draw milk and cookies. Thanks for drawing with me. Bye!